Well, it's time to put this C4 suspension in. I'm ready to cut the front of the frame rails off, and here we go. I put the fender on for mock-up before I final weld it. It's tacked in now. Before I final weld it, I want to make sure the wheel is centered in the wheel well. Everything looks really good. So I like the way it looks. So I'm going to completely weld it in. Oh, I'm happy with that. I don't have to do any mods to the inner fenders. It looks like everything looks good. Okay, until next time. Well, out with the old, in with the new. I also got the radiator support mount built and installed. Finished welding. Now it's just time for the 4-link in the rear end. I decided to mock up the suspension parts because I couldn't wait to see what it looked like. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I got some adjustability in the ride height. It's going to be a little lower. Until next time.